Have you ever thought why 20% of salespeople are really successful? Rest 30%, they're hardworking, they're very good, but still they are not reaching where they want to be. And rest 50% are just struggling. They are order taker. They just wait for the instruction to come from the director of sales or head of sales or the sales manager, and then they act on that. Research says that sales is not everyone's cup of tea. And why they say so? Because as I said, 20% guys actually they are successful because they work on a strategy. They work the way sales should function. They trust the process. They understand the business. They understand their clients. They understand their corporate. They adopt a strategy to work with each and every corporate and individual. They know what they are doing. Hence, they become very, very successful. They earn lots of money. Because sales is the only profession where there is a higher possibility that one can earn as much they want. So there are three types of salespeople. A, the 20% who really understand business, understand their role, they work on strategy and get success. B, the people who are hardworking, they somehow understand what is their role, why they are there for, and they work hard, but still they struggle to get there where they want to be. And 50%, the C, they are, I will not shy away to say that they are headless chicken. They do not do anything their own. They wait for instructions to come. They wait for clients to call them and say that, hey, there is a business, come, run with the contract, run with the lowest possible rate and get the deal done. And they just follow this. They never ever thinks of their growth. They do not know how to negotiate, how to present, how to follow a sales process, what is the sales strategies, what is sales tactics, how the budgeting is done. They do not understand everything. And I'm telling you, there are 50% of those guys are still there and they need to be upgraded, upscaled, because if they do not, then the company is losing lots of money. Some of the company, they do not upscale and upgrade their sales guys, thinking that they have to pay a certain amount to the trainers. But you do not know, the business owner or the sales directors, that what you are losing by not upgrading, upscaling these guys. Because actually they are creating a dent in your business. While they go for presentation and pitching the product and they do not know how to do so, someone else who is well trained comes and takes your business away. So my recommendation is that still just find out in your team who is A, B, C. Who is my number one? A, salesperson, B, salesperson, and the C. A, who is already doing well, he is really upgraded, upskilled, and he is performing very well. Definitely you can tomorrow put them in the leadership role and they can take other people together. But you have a problem with these guys who are 30% who are in B and the 50% who are in C category. And definitely you will have, if you have 100 people in sales, only 20% will be at the peak performance level. who will be really performing very well. Probably they will be doing the target for balance 80% people. So why not upgrade and upscale all these 30% and 50% people and get everyone together to make a peak performing team, and everyone performs as per their fullest potential and makes the difference in organization to achieve much more than what they are supposed to be. Hello guys, I am Jugal Ray, a strategic sales trainer, and I have certain strategy which I have learned from my mentors, coaches and trainers, and those strategies have worked for me to upscale me and make me a peak performer wherever I have worked for. And my idea is just to share those knowledge with the people who are actually either struggling or they are at the X level and they want to upgrade themselves to next level, and just to handhold them and help them. So I'm really looking forward to train this 50% and 30%, the category B and C, who are really needs to be upscaled. I'm looking forward to work with them and get them where they are supposed to be. And as research says that sales is not everyone's cup of tea, I think you understand where I am coming from. If sales was everybody's cup of tea, half of the people, they would have been in sales, because the sales is the highest paying job on the planet. Sales, generates more revenue. And something, sales is so important part in an organization that when sales works, everything works. And if sales fails, everything fails, because rest of the department are there to work as a support to sales and marketing. The product, the accounts department, the finance, the HR, and so on and so forth. So if sales does not work, I don't think their work will make any sense. Put a comment if you agree with me, or if we need to discuss again. So my only encouragement to you is upscale, upgrade. Wherever you are, if you feel you are still in category C, 50%, upgrade to B at least. If you feel that you have already reached to category B, upscale to A, and the guys who are already in A, enhance your strategies and look for management positions, leadership positions, because you are the one who's going to make difference in the organization. Thank you.